Guys, look at this. Look at the tree. Oh, we just got power flashes. Guys, this wind is so powerful.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Shelby County in southwestern Iowa until 10 a.m. At 9:08 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dunlap to 5 miles north of Underwood to Bellevue, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by automated weather systems have measured winds of 55 to 75 miles per hour with this storm. The strongest winds within this warning will be over Shelby County. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Winds will be near Minden and early around 9:15 a.m. Shelby and other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Old Town Park, Prairie Rose State Park, Farm Creek Public Wildlife Area, McClellan, Hancock, Bottom Bend Park, Janet, Mantino Recreation Area, Richmond Bend Recreation Area, and Bethel. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 31 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Potawatomi, and Shelby. A severe thunderstorm.
As I was saying, guys. Okay. As I was saying, it is so windy, guys. Like, this is just unbelievable, guys. Like, I can barely open up the door. Like, I am literally holding down the door because it's such strong winds. I locked it so it doesn't go flying out. Surprisingly, we haven't lost power. We did have a little power, a little flash, but it's just frontal bounds. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.